Manners cost nothing. Good manners and kindness are always in fashion. If you are teaching your kid manners, so you are making them more beautiful. So the question is, what's the right time to teach manners to your kids? You can teach them in any age, anytime, anywhere, but try to start teaching from very first day, from very beginning. But don't be hurry, don't be worry. There is no early and late for kids. Every age is an appropriate age to teaching manners or teaching anything to your kid. Now, the question is what to teach. So, make benchmark standards and don't compromise on the rules you made for manners, but you can give margin as per the situation, like they are mood tantrums. If the kid is sick, it can be the situation that kid's in his bad mood, so you can be lenient at that time. If the question is how to teach, so the answer is simple: be their role model, be their ideal, because they will do what they will see. Now let's talk about who will teach manners to the kids. It's mother who will teach the kid. Who's the mother? Mother is everyone who is mothering the child. It can be father, it can be grandparents, siblings, it can be guardian. Now question raised in our mind that where to teach manners. So you can teach manners everywhere. Every place is a learning place. Suppose you are at restaurant and you want to teach your kid about table manners, so you can. You are going to leave your kid to the school, so you can teach them how to respect the teacher, guard, classmates. If you are sitting in bedroom, you can teach them bedtime manners, but be careful, never hurt their self-respect and avoid to use negative sentences. Kids are very innocent. The sign of great parenting is not the child's behavior. The sign of truly great parenting is the parent's behavior. So be kind, don't be hurry, don't be worried.